Winter has set in. Are you feeling cold today? It's very cold today. Cover yourself, Doc, before you go out. Give me the quilt. Wear your gloves. She has a runny nose. I'm feeling cold today. I am shivering. I can see my breath in the air. I catch cold very often. I have a sore throat. I have a bad cough. She sneezes a lot. I need a sweater. How's the weather? It's foggy, misty today. It's very cold outside. Keep the kid warm. Let's sit by the fireplace. Let's bask in the sun. Your lips are chapped. Apply lip balm. Moisturize your skin. My fingers are going numb. My hands are turning icy cold. My heels are cracking. Put on your sweater. You must wear the earmuffs. Zip up your jacket.